of Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back, people. Welcome back. Time for me to give you today's holidays and observances. But check the time first. 11:53 a.m. Time check brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Make your Mondays magical with Royal Duty Free's Magic Monday. It's Monday today, so this is ongoing. The Magic Mondays promo. This is up until May 27. Uy, malapit na matapos, ha? So you guys better hurry. Indulge in a delightful treat with 30% off on the mouth-watering Royal Roast Chicken Barbecue Jumbo exclusively at the Manila Avenue branch at store number 2. Okay? So, today is Monday. So, the next one is gonna be the last one, May 27. Tuwing Monday lang kasi. Yan, okay? So, you better hurry. This Monday today and the next Monday is gonna be the last one. Okay? And don't miss out on the magic. Visit the Royal Store number 2 now, today. It's located at the Central Business District area, Manila Avenue of the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. For more inquiries, visit their social media pages, the official website as well, www.royalsubic.com. 252-3258, the landline hotline number for Royal Duty Free. And today's holidays and observances and famous birthdays brought to you by Wawas Junior, Subic Bay Freeport branch. And Wawas would like to tell you of the store opening with their sister eateries as well, diners. Ma I'm Hungry is from 2:30 to 9:30 p.m. Taco Bataan, 2:30 to 9:30 p.m. Cafelipina, 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. Wawas Junior, Lincoln Heights Subdivision branch, 2:30 to 9:30. And Wawas Subic Bay Freeport branch is still temporarily closed as they are hiring. Training of staff is ongoing. All right. That's the one at the Subic Bay Freeport Zone, stall number 18, one-stop shop building. Okay? Nonetheless, for the deliveries of the best tasting flame-grilled fresh hot burgers for you, 0927-895-9714. Okay? And the Lincoln Heights Subdivision branch, 0927-950-8775. The best tasting flame-grilled quarter-pounder burgers. Visit their social media page, Facebook, Wawas, to see the menu. Okay? On with today's holidays and observances. May 20, ang bilis ng araw. Mag-June na. Mag-Hunyo na. Hunyo is halfway, the year 2024. Halfway na. Okay? So, May 20 is World Meteorology Day, in case you don't know. Okay? Every May 20th, celebrating the International System of Units. The date is the anniversary of the signing of the meter conversion in 1875. Meteorology, not meteorology. I read it wrong. Metro. From the word metro. Metrology is the study of measurement. The World Meteorology Day project is currently realized jointly by the BIPM. Okay. World Meteorology Day and World Bee Day. Alright? Do you guys know the importance of bees in the ecosystem? If we are to remove the bees all of a sudden wala nang bees, we will run out of food in just a matter of ilang may measure sila may measure yung mga scientists it won't last long. Humanity will run out of food pag inalis mo bigla all of a sudden ang bees in the ecosystem. So that's why they're very important in the natural and the ecosystem. It's celebrated every May 20. Okay? It gives importance. All right? It emphasizes on the importance of beekeeping also. Okay? And the World Bee Day was born back in 1734 pa. Tagal na, ha? Okay? And what else? Today is also the European Maritime Day for the European Council. Alright? Yan yung isa sa malaking sakit ng ulo natin nowadays, no? Our maritime situation. Also, May 20 is Blue Jeans Day. Yung mga mahilig sa maong. Maong is a very popular, very iconic piece of clothing for mankind. Blue jeans. But let me give you a little bit of a history about the maong, blue jeans. Do you guys know what led to the invention of the maong? It was originally invented or created for miners in the US of A dati, back then. Okay? Yan. So, doon siya unang ginawa talaga for the miners Kaya that's why you notice it's made tough, it's made strong, strong piece of clothing. Pero nowadays yung mga maong jeans talagang soft na no? Soft jeans eh. Pero yung mga noon, yung mga nauna pa, talagang matigas and tough and makapal. Because it's made for the miners, yung mga nagtatrabaho sa minahan. Ayan, made by Mr. Levi's. Okay, so that's a little bit of history 101 for you on the invention of the blue jeans, maong, as we call it. Okay, and International Human Resources Day. So I would like to greet our SBMA HRMD, you guys, all you folks there. Happy International Human Resources Day. All right. What else? International Red Sneakers Day. Red sneakers were popular for a certain period of time. And Rescue Dog Day. This is one thing I love about dogs. They got jobs. Dogs lang ang animal species na may trabaho officially na ganito, no? Na they are eye-seeing dog, rescue dog, what else? Emotional support dog. Well, for emotional support meron din naman ibang animals. Merong cats, merong birds, iguanas. Ayan. Pero dog is the most widely used animal with jobs. Di ba? Most, yeah. And also the Supply Chain Professional Day. I guess this coincides with the Bee Day, International Beekeeping Day. Supply chain. You guys remember what I told you? If we are to remove the bees in the ecosystem, we will run out of food supply in a matter of just a short period of time lang. Okay? Dahil World Bee Day nga today. And so there you have it. Today's famous, the international observances, holidays and observances. And for those who are celebrating their birthdays today, this one is for you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Hayden Ko is one of today's birthday celebrants. He made the song Careless Whisper even more popular in the Philippines. May 20, 1980, actor, model, Hayden Ko. Okay. Next up, we have Miriam Kiambao, Filipino actor and model as well. May 20, 1975. Ramon Bautista. Okay. He is a screenwriter, actor, comedian, YouTuber. Si Kuya Ramon Bautista. Yeah, you know him. May 20, 1986. Next up, we have TV actor Timothy Olyphant. He is in the Netflix series Santa Clarita Diet along with Drew Barrymore. All right, May 20, 1968. Pop singer Cher is turned 78 today. Was born May 20, 1946. Rachel Platten. This is my fight song. This is May 20, 1981. Turns 43 today. All right, I like her. Busta Rhymes, May 20, 1972. All right, so there you have it. Celebrities and the like celebrating the birthdays today. And a couple of my friends and relatives also celebrating the birthdays today. So let me greet them then. Okay, si Kuya Raymond Matias of my batchmate. Raymond Matias, happy birthday to you, dude. Si Kuya Neil Roque, hindi ko kabatch. Mas matagal na batch yung sa kanya. Happy birthday. Who else? Si Ate Marites. Ayan, Marites de la Cruz. Ayan, happy birthday to you. Si Ann Sandri, DJ Ann Sandri, na napaka-talented. Happy birthday to you. Si Kuya Romel Bungabong. Ayan, happy birthday. Of batch 90 as well. Si Ate Beth Gunob. Ayan, mga nag-birthday to over the weekend. Wala namang morning brew ng Saturday and Sunday, kaya ngayon ang pagbati. Also celebrating today is Ate Diana Cloud. Ayan, happy birthday to you. All right. And my nephews, Harvey and Robbie Navarro, the Navarro brothers. Happy birthday sa inyo, ha? All right. Your tito is very proud of the men that you have become. All of you, yung magkakapatid na Navarro brothers. Ayan, tito is proud of you. Okay? Happy birthday, Robbie and Harvey. And everybody else celebrating their birthdays today. Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
You. And we will be back with the songs from today's birthday celebrants. We're going to play songs from Cher, Busta Rhymes, Rachel Platten, and a whole lot more. Okay, for the meantime, we